A train travels 180 km in 3 hours. What is its speed in meter per second? So 180 km 3 hours. It means 180 km divide 3 what hour. It means per hour it can travel 60 km, right? It's a per hour. So kilometer we can convert to meter. It means kilometer will become 1000 times with 60. So 60 times 1000, right? It will become meter. And second, here is hour. Hour first we convert to meter, minute, and times to another 60, it will become second. So now this 0, this 0, this 0, this 0 out, and finally our answer will be 67.67. It should be meter per second. Okay, so which one is correct? Number A is our correct answer. Thank you.